Alright guys, just a very quick one right here. I call out this trade in the Telegram community. I was about to take the trade. I was seeing this trade like a counter trade because the overall trend on GBP USD is bearish. Okay, you can actually see it. It was bearish, and then I saw an opportunity to go bullish, and I was just going to counter trade into this fair value gap and above this liquidity, even this level. I was watching it. It was a very good trade that I wanted to take, but along the way news came in and then I got stopped out. Now I will tell you everything I did before taking the trade. I knew exactly what I was doing. I wasn't just taking the trade arbitrarily. So this was what happened. I saw this shift in market structure right here, and I call out the trade right here around this place. And let me show you in the 3-minute. Is it the 3-minute time frame? I have it right here. Okay, the shift in market structure, this very big fair value gap. I took the trade around here, and the trade was almost going in my direction right here, and then the news came in right here, and then I got stopped out right here. I'm going to show you everything that happened for this trade to go wrong. I dropped the update in the Telegram channel right here. This was when I call out the trade. I was waiting for it to come right here, and then I take the trade after this shift in market structure. So when I checked my Forex factory right here, I knew that the news was coming in around 1:30. That's about New York open time. This was what I saw. The forecast and the previous. The forecast was saying that about 232,000 unemployment claims. Unemployment claims is talking about the people that are claiming to be unemployed in the economy, which means a very bad economy. You can see the previous was even 228, and the forecast is saying that more people are going to be unemployed, which means the economy is going to face some challenges. Then whatever happens to the economy will affect the currency, and that is the basis for this news release and then fundamental news that you mostly see. So I was confident that even if USD is going to continue downward, this news is going to affect it. It will support the buyers I was taking. So I wasn't just taking the trade blindly. I saw the forecast and I wanted to be very confident with my analysis. That is where you have to trust your analysis, regardless. Even if you're going to get stopped out, be confident and trust your analysis. Once you know what you're doing, it's part of the game. Losing is part of the game. You take 2 good trades, you have 1 losing trade. It's all part of the game, right? So I took the trade, and then it started going on to this place, and I was, wow, this is going to give us exactly what we're looking for. And boom, the news came in. It came out as something else. Look at it. So lesser people are unemployed, which means the currency is going to be strong because the economy is good. It's showing that the economy is doing well. So that is basically why I took the trade. I didn't just take the trade because I didn't know that the news was coming. I know that the news was going to come, but the forecast is telling me that more data is coming for people claiming to be unemployed, and which means the economy is going to be bad. And then we expect to see a weaker dollar in that period, but it happens that I got stopped out, and then the trade is still here. It came back to this area, and you can see the post news effect right there. Okay, so guys, you can check every time you do your analysis, except if there is anything else. Be confident after analysis you execute. That is how to build confidence in trading. You can't just make analysis because you're protecting your account and then you keep missing good trades, right? Except if it is against your rule. But everything you are doing, if it is in line and tandem with what your rules say, you're going to take the trade. And that is how to build confidence. And based on this trade that I took, I discovered that the mistake is that I am actually going against the bigger trend. That is the only mistake. If it weren't for that news, it would have gone to that area I was expecting, but the news actually affected it. And the only reason why I took the trade was because I saw the news telling me that the dollar is going to be weak. The dollar is going to be weak because of the forecast, and there is a very little margin between the previous and the forecast, and that was the only reason why I took the trade, guys. I wanted to share with you why the trade fell, so you can see the entire data and information about this. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you find this video helpful. See you in another video.